So, how to create a follow price on your Shopee store. And I'm going to teach you on how to put a follow price based on fixed discount and based on percentage discount. And the question here is it necessary? The answer is not really, but it can add more attractiveness to your store and attract buyers to click and follow your store. Maybe buy an item they like and want. Just know that consumers like and love discounts. So how did I know that? Because I myself am also a certified shopper and I love discounts, especially those discounted products that I want to add to cart and buy later on. Who are the people who want a discount? See? That's why. But in the end, it's your choice. If you want to decorate your shop with orangey color and put a follow price or not. So if you say yes, then continue watching. First, you must open your Shopee account. Me, my shop. On your shop, look for Marketing Center, All Marketing Tools, and click Follow Price. Then create new follow price. Let's create first the fixed discount. Voucher name, enter your follow price name. Start time, today is July 22, 2022. So you can adjust the time here. So I want to start it by 10. But let's change it later. Confirm. And for the end time, you can adjust the months, day, and time for your own preferences. For example, I want to end this at January 31, 2023 at 12:31 p.m. So let's see if it works. Confirm. And after confirming, it says end time cannot be more than 6 months from start time. Adjust the months and year. So click back and let's adjust the months or years. Let's put October 20, 2022. Then confirm again. For voucher type, discount or fixed amount. So on my example, let's put 15 pesos, but you can input any amount you want. So when they followed you, they can get a discount of 15 pesos. Then save. For minimum spend required, you need to set an amount of how much they need to pay for or amount required before they can use the discount promotion, which is 15 pesos. So let's put 499. When the customer or buyers buy an item on your shop and reach the amount of 499 and above, they are now eligible automatically to get a discount of 15 pesos. And this will pop up upon checking out the items they've purchased on your shop. And for the usage quantity of how many vouchers available, let's say 100 or 1000. So I'll adjust the time frame so that you can see what it's like. And save. And when the buyers or the customers visit your shop, this is how they view your shop and follow price pop up. So it's up to them to click follow or not. And by clicking the follow price, this is how the buyers see the fixated amount, which is 15 pesos. When they reach the minimum spend of 499 and above. Next, on how to set up a follow price discount by percentage. Follow price, create, voucher name, and for the start time and end time, again, you can adjust the day, months, year, and the time. So voucher type, discount by percentage. Just click. And here you can put any amount you want, 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, up to 50% or even 100%. So on my example, I'll put 10%. Always remember, if you put bigger percentage, make it sure the maximum discount price is higher also. Just like on my example, I'll put 10%, so I'll set an amount higher also for the maximum discount price. So this is just an example. You can lower yours according to your preference. Minimum spend required, so I'll put 2,000 and save. For usage quantity of how many people could use it, let's say for 100 people. So applicable products, all products. When you're set and done, click save. And let's check what it looks like. So this is how it looks like when it's percentage discount. And again, when the buyer reach the amount of 2,000, they can get 10% discount from that amount. So 10% of 2,000 is 200. And don't follow my example to set this up. This is just an example, okay babes? Or else your store will go bankrupt. Just set an amount that you think it's enough and reasonable also. Never go beyond lower or higher discount, just enough for both of you, between you the seller and the buyer, can gain from it. The buyers are full of joy buying from your shop, but at the same time, you are sad as a seller because of the bigger discounts you gave, because you are too generous. Know that this is a business, not a charity, so it must be balanced for everyone to be happy. Okay, babes? So that's it on how to set up a follow price by fixed discount and by percentage discounts.